Hello everyone, this is Crystal and welcome to my channel where I share card making techniques, sweet paper crafts, and now inspiring food ideas. I am a part of Edith Wray's E-Club Kit design team. This E-Club Kit just keeps getting better and better. Every month we receive a box with all the materials to make a large project and a couple of cards, plus a free PDF and videos exclusively for the E-Club Kit members only. There's also an exclusive Facebook group where we share inspirational and creative ideas with one another in a positive and uplifting atmosphere. Edith gives us a sneak peek of the upcoming events and the kits to keep our mouths watering and our hands itching. I'll post the informational link below. There's only a few kits left, so you better hurry. Today I'm going to show you how I made these beautiful little mini notebooks. These mini notebooks were made using the paper and some of the materials from the E-Club Kit for March. These mini notebooks are easy to create and they're fast, and they make a beautiful little gift for a teacher, a co-worker, or to sell at your local craft fair or bazaar. Let me show you how I made this. Now for a 6x6 paper, you can make 2 of these notebooks. Now what you need is a piece of 3x6" piece of paper, and then we're going to score it at 2 5/8 and 5 1/4. And we're going to fold it on the score lines, nice and neat. And then took my corner rounder and I rounded the edges as a little flap. And now I'm going to take my hole punch and I'm going to find the center of that little section there, and I'm going to punch a hole in the center of it. Now I'm just using copy paper. I need 6 pieces that are 2 7/8 by 5 inches. And we'll take those 6 pieces and we'll fold them in half. And we'll crease them really good with the bone folder so we get a nice clean crisp fold on them. And now the edges of your paper may be a little off a little bit there, not quite meet. If this bothers you, you can take it and put it in like a guillotine cutter and slice off the ends of it. And if it doesn't bother you, it's no big deal. You could just leave it on there. And now you'll take all those copy paper and you'll match up the fold line to the inside of your card. And I use some binder clips to hold it in place. And now I'll take my stapler and I'll punch it. As you can see, I have a line there right where the staple comes out so I can match it up. I did that when I was making some other journaling cards. And I'll line that line up right to the center of the fold on that card and punch it clean through. And now just remove your journaling clips and fold it again really good with your bone folder so it'll lay flat. And now all that's left on your mini notebook is to embellish it. And as you see, I brought out washi tape, some jewels, some roses. I even punched out some ferns. Anything that was the same colors that I thought would coordinate real well, I just pulled it out and see what I could use. I'm going to set the rest of this to music, how I put this together, because I changed my mind several times. So I hope you enjoy it. Now for the closure, you can use twine. I think this was pink twine that I had bought. I also have used baby yarn, and you could use ribbon, and you could even use crochet thread. So anything that's thin and that will wrap around it real easy. And then for each one of them, I glued something on the ends of the twine to help it stay in the book so it wouldn't get lost from it. And you want to wrap one side going around the back and one side going around the front so they come up together and they match so you can tie them together. And like I said, I glued or put something on the end of each one of them so that it wouldn't pull out of the notebook. And for one, I just punched out little hearts, and I glued one to the front and back of each one of the ends of the, it was baby yarn I used on that one. And then on this one, I used this little bead trim that was in our E-Club kit. And I glued one on the front and one on the back using large glue dots. And then on the other one I have on my picture, I actually tied a charm on each one. I have a gold cross charm on it. So just use your imagination and use what you have. And if you're like me, you can lay it down and then come back an hour or two later and decide to add something else to it and to layer it. That's the fun in making these little embellishments. And so that's my project for today. And here's a picture of 2 of my 3 finished mini notebooks. And I did make a third one. And I also took one and I packaged it up for gift giving or just to sell at their local craft stores. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. And click on that little bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Bye for now. Happy crafting!